Hello, my dear friends and family. I'm your Max trick tutor, and so far have thought about how to do the Max very easily, or otherwise we can say it like we can simplify the Max on a simple method. Okay, so as I said, max tricks is not a magic. Okay, so we can simplify our mathematics steps. Instead of doing a 10 step, we are simplifying the step. Okay, so as I said, the tricks is not a magic. Its trick is something thinking logically. Okay, so instead of following the same pattern, what we have learned so far from the KG classes, we are coming out from that. Okay, so according to me, the max trick is not anything a magic or anything actual tricks which can have another method to make any simple addition or simple subtraction. It's not that. Okay, so max tricks is that thinking logically. Okay, so we have seen a lot of addition, subtraction, multiplication, to how to simplify those additions, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, today we are going to see about Vedic mathematics. Okay, so on that introduction class itself, I have told what is meant by Vedic max and how it's going to use it and who introduced the Vedic mathematics. Okay, so as I said before, anything max tricks or Vedic mathematics or any mathematic tricks, it's not any black like a black magic or any different kind of method. It's thinking very logically. Okay, so max is already a very logical thing, isn't it? So but we are not used to train it on that way. That is the main problem why we all, including me, why we all felt that max is so difficult. Okay, so because we are trained on a very particular method. Okay, we cannot raise a question why what does mean by addition, why we are adding this number. No, we can't raise any questions. So the ma'am will always used to teach it on the board. We have just copied it and we just copy the same thing and we follow it. But Vedic mathematics teaches us to think logically. Okay, so I don't know whether it's going to help you for your to simplify your mathematics, but it's definitely going to help you that improve your logical ability. Okay, so definitely the Vedic mathematics will help you a lot. Okay, so in that Vedic mathematics, they are telling the addition means adding a one number to the another number. Adding one number. Yes, you all know what is meant by addition. You all know it. If I ask you any proper definition, you cannot answer for it. Okay, because I can understand we cannot use it to follow up on that way. Okay, we know the addition means adding up two number. We all know about that point. Okay, so the same thing also in the Vedic mathematics they are telling, but they are telling a little bit deeply. So what they are telling, adding a one number to the another number is called an addition. For example, think 0 is a number. If we adding a one number, it's a addition. So 1. Okay, again 1. So 1 is adding with the another 1. We're getting a 2. Okay, and 2 adding with another 1, we're getting a 3. Next 3 adding with one x number, then we're getting a 4. Next 4 adding with one number, we are getting 5. 5 adding by one number, then it's 6. Then 6 adding with one number, we get 7. Then 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we are getting numbers 1 to 10 by adding 1 to it. Okay, how we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 up to n number? How we are getting? Yes, we are getting the number series by adding the 1 to it. Okay, we are adding the 1 to it. So the number is started from the 0. So 0 is added to the 1. Of course, it's a 1. So then the result, then again the 1 is added with another 1 number, then 2. Then this 2 is added with another 1 number, then it is a 3. So this is what they are saying. So please think it logically. How the number is coming, how these numbers are coming. Yes, these numbers are arising from adding a 1 number. Okay, adding the 1 number to it, we getting another new number. So this is what telling about how we are getting the numbers. This is a basic thing in the Vedic mathematics. Okay, so next we are going to see about our 10-point method.